Yes, first I will go to file. I select a new option to create a file. So empty file. So what is my objective? So I put this information in a comment. So aim of the program to understand okay, the different data types, its size, and how to use. So I break a line here. Format specifier. Okay, so this is my objective, right? So what I do, what is the first statement? That is percentage, sorry, hash include stdio dot h. Okay, fine. So next what I do, I insert void main. See, I insert void main. After this I declare int a. Okay, so float, say b, char, say ch. Okay, so are you understanding? So a
Yes, sir.
equal to what I do, I store 10, b equal to say 25.5, c equal to say y I will store, right? So next what I do, I printf the value of a is percentage d. Why I am using percentage d? Because it's of type integer. So I write a. So here I am displaying the content of a. Okay. So immediately this statement, I want to know what is the size of a, how much memory is allocated for a in terms of bytes. The size of a in terms of a byte, okay, so equal to percentage d. So what I do, I write size of, within this parenthesis I will pass a variable a. So what is size of here? The size of is a operator which will retrieve what is the size of a. Okay, so similarly what I do, I want to know how much memory, what is the size of other variables. So I just write here the value of c b, and I just want to display b here, and I want to know what is the size of b, and here I just pass b. So size of b, size of a. So next I want to know what is the value which is stored in c, and I just print content of c here, and how much memory allocated for c, and for size of operator I will pass variable c. At last I put a flower bracket, closing flower bracket, to end the program. So this is my program. Okay, so I repeat here, I have taken integer values, integer variable, floating variable, and character variable. In this variable I have stored 10, 25.5 is stored in b, character y is stored in c. So here I am displaying what is the value of A and what is the size, what is the value of B, what is its size, and what is the value of C and what is the size with the help of size of operator. Okay, so once after writing a program, save this program by selecting the option save from file menu. So click on save file. Yeah, I save this file as a D data type. Okay, dot C. So the dot C is a extension for C program, and this is a name of the file. I click on save button. So now the file has been saved successfully. Okay, so what is next? To run this program, to check whether a program has been written correctly or not. For that, what we do, we go to build of menu. So we'll first build a file. So build. So I got a error here, right? So ch undeclared. Actually, what happened here? I have declared a name of the variable as a ch, but I am just using it as a c. So therefore, I am getting error. So I make it as a ch. And once again, I save this file and build. Yeah, I got a error. So here also I have mentioned it as just C. I make it as a ch. And here also it must be ch. So again I save this file. I did some corrections. Therefore I am saving a file again and again. So build. Yeah. So now my program is correct. So 0 errors and 0 warnings. So I click on run button. Yes. Yeah, you can see here. Yes. So what is the value of A? The value of A is 10. What is the size of A? See here, 4 bytes. Okay. And what is the value of B? So it is showing just 0. So this is because I have used a format specifier as a percentage %d for floating value. See, you can see here. So whenever I am dealing with a floating values, because B is of type float data type, but I have used percentage %d instead of percentage %f. That's why I was getting this error. So I make it as percentage %f and I save once again. So build, yeah, run. Yeah, now I got a correct result. Okay, so let us analyze the output. Yes, so what is the value of A? 10. How much memory is allocated? 4 bytes. So you only think what is this 4 byte? So 4 byte equal to 32 bits. So 2 raised to 32. That much amount of the information we can store in this particular variable. And this is floating type, and float is also having 4 bytes. And this is character. See, actually I have done again a mistake here. Here for character data type, I should mention it as a percentage %c, but unknowingly I have mentioned it as a percentage %d. Therefore I got that error. So I make it as percentage %c. So save, build and run. Yeah, now I am getting a correct result. Okay, so A value is 10, and how much memory is allocated? 4 bytes for A, because A is integer. B is floating type. How much memory is allocated? 4 bytes. C is a character data type. So therefore how much memory is allocated? 1 byte. Okay,